Hi, welcome to Charlotte's Cooking Show. I'm Charlotte. Today we're making chicken tetrazzini. It is creamy, it is cheesy, it's a really great family one-pot chicken bake. You're going to love it. There's all kinds of shortcuts to make a really good chicken tetrazzini, but today we're gonna make it from scratch, as we do. But lots of people buy like a rotisserie chicken, pull that apart. That's a great thing to do. But today we're using 4 boneless chicken breasts. We're gonna season them, cook them in our big Dutch oven on the cooktop, and then we're gonna add in some really yummy ingredients, and we're gonna make ourselves a mushroom creamy cheesy sauce. And I've made some extra pasta from spaghetti night last night, which is great to do. Make some extra pasta, have it on hand, and then it's easy just to throw in and bake it in the oven. So good. I've tenderized the chicken breasts a little bit by just kind of beating them up a little and add a little salt and pepper on this side. We've got 1 tablespoon of butter in here, and I'm gonna add a tablespoon of oil. And then we're just going to cook these chicken breasts in this Dutch oven. Brown them, get them cooked through, and then we will continue on with our sauce. So our chicken breasts are nicely browned and cooked through. And we've got our pot here. You should see all the nice brown flavor at the bottom. Oh, look at that. That's where the flavor is. Oh, there's a little piece of chicken. I'll get that out of there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of oil. There's already lots at the bottom there, a little bit there. And then we're gonna add in 1 white onion, diced up. And we've got 2 packages of these are cremini mushrooms, but button mushrooms. White ones, brown ones, doesn't matter. And we're gonna cook those down. Okay, then I'll add in some minced garlic. I find that it's just not as strong. It's kind of got a sweeter flavor than just sort of diced garlic. And we'll add that in when this is all softened down. And then we're going to make our sauce from there. So our mushrooms, onion, and garlic all cooked down, smells so good. The pan is ready. We're gonna add in 4 tablespoons of butter. So here we go. Let that melt away and pick up all that yummy flavor stuff on the bottom. Okay, so look at our sauce. It's so beautiful. We got the chicken back in here. I've put a 1/4 cup of parsley, and now I'm going to add in a big heaping pile of cooked pasta. Now, let's see. You have to watch how much pasta you put in there. You might want to put more, but you have to remember, you want it to be really saucy. And when you cook it in the oven, it'll thicken up too. So this is like a really great consistency. And we're gonna add some cheese in as well. Look at that. So that's about, I don't know, 1.5 cups. Sprinkle that in, and then we're also gonna put some on top as well. And when we bake it in the casserole dish there. But we'll just add this in to give it a little bit of cheesy deliciousness, and then we're gonna transfer it in. Now the easiest thing to do, this is a 1-pot meal. We could have just cooked it in the oven with some cheese on top right in our big Dutch oven. I'm gonna transfer it to this large casserole dish because sometimes this is nicer to serve on a dinner table. And if you wanted to have a big salad with it and some garlic bread to go, soak up some of that creamy sauce, that would be a really good idea too. So it's all about the presentation. If you just want 1 pot, then this is your route. If you want to spruce it up a little bit, then you can go this way. So we're going to just transfer this over, see how nice the flavor is, and we're going to get all this creamy, delicious mushroom sauce off the pot. We're gonna finish this off. It calls for mozzarella, and mozzarella is nice. I just didn't have any. So I've got marble cheese. Everybody likes marble, which is basically just cheddar and mozza together. So we don't want a whole lot. You don't want it to overwhelm. We've put some in the sauce already. So this is really just to kind of give it that bubbly top. And I have seen tetrazzinis made before with kind of like a panko breadcrumb topping as well. You take panko crumbs, add some butter and some garlic powder, flavor, some parsley, stuff like that, and then sprinkle that on top too, and that gives it a little bit of a crust. But For this house today, we'll just go with the cheese, put it in the oven, bake it for 30 minutes at 350. Here we are. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my goodness. Again, nice and creamy, cheesy. Love it. This is a great family meal. Everybody loves it. Great use of your leftover spaghetti, or just cook extra and know you're gonna make it. So good. We'll put a few little sprinkles of parsley on there just to be fancy. And again, a little piece of garlic bread on the side, nice comfy salad. This is so good. So we've got mushrooms, onions, basically created our own cream of mushroom sauce, chicken, pasta. This is a really great meal to make at night, in the warm or in the cold winter nights when you want to feel warm. Look at that nice creamy sauce. This is delicious. Chicken tetrazzini. You should make it.